Hi everyone! Welcome at the unboxing of the Beach Vibes box. Let me show you what is in this box. Let's start with a beautiful pen. It has rosé gold elements, blue gems, pink overall and black ink. Then there are two washi tapes in this box. One with super cute sunglasses and one with florals, and as you can see, these patterns are coming back in all the products. This box also contains 6 sticker sheets. It has 3 paper sticker sheets, beach borders and other beautiful boxers. Then these are the clear sticker sheets with the florals, some more florals and the beach vibe stickers. It also contains this beautiful clear stamp, which you can easily stamp the corners of your planner sheet, or of course bullet journal, or create some beautiful floral borders. Then the most prettiest thing of this box is the planner cover, also can be used as traveler notebook. Isn't it cute? This is a B6 size cover, but you can use this cover also for your mini happy planner or other same size planners. You just put this cover of your planner in here and you will have a super pretty planner cover. It also contains this pretty dotted notebook that you can use as a bullet journal. You can add this notebook also to this traveler notebook slash planner cover. You can even add your planner here and have the notebook in there too, or even add your stickers here. So it's really a multifunctional cover. I think it's really pretty. And then the last 2 items are the paper sheets. These are the same size as a Happy Planner Classic sheet, so you can also use them as a dashboard, or you can even laminate them and use them as covers. These are all the products from the Beach Vibes box. This box is available to order until May 31 as subscription or one-time purchase. If the box sells out sooner, it will be sold out and won't be restocked. So if you really want this box, don't wait too long. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!